The industrial aesthetic and the minimalist philosophy may seem like polar opposites at first glance. One celebrates the raw, the rugged, and the unfinished, remnants of the factory floor and the warehouse. The other thrives on less is more, favoring clean lines, hidden storage, and a total lack of ornamentation. However, when these two styles collide in a modern apartment, they create a unique design language known as industrial minimalism. In 2026, this hybrid style has become the gold standard for urban apartment living. It offers a way to embrace the architectural bones of a building, concrete, steel, and brick, while maintaining the serenity and order required for a peaceful home life. Here is how to master the sleek industrial minimalist concept in your living room. 1. The foundation: raw textures and neutral tones. Industrial minimalism starts with a commitment to the as-is beauty of materials. In an apartment setting, you likely don't have 20-foot ceilings or original factory windows, but you can recreate the vibe through texture mapping. Instead of standard white paint, look toward micro-cement or lime-wash walls in shades of charcoal, dove gray, or slate. These finishes provide the visual depth of aged concrete without the weight or cost. To keep it minimalist, the color palette must remain restrained. Stick to high-contrast neutrals, deep blacks, varying shades of gray, and crisp white. This monochrome base allows the architectural details of your furniture to take center stage. 2. The skeleton furniture trend. In industrial design, the structure is the decoration. For a minimalist living room, this means choosing furniture with a visible skeleton. Look for sofas with slim black steel frames rather than bulky upholstered bases. Choose a coffee table that features a simple slab of reclaimed wood or smoked glass supported by thin iron legs. By choosing furniture that is hollow or open at the bottom, you maintain a clear line of sight across the apartment floor. This visual transparency is essential for making a small living room feel expansive and industrial chic. 3. Balancing metal with natural warmth. The biggest risk with industrial minimalism is that it can feel cold or uninviting. To counteract this, 2026 design trends emphasize the industrial to organic bridge. The secret is to pair cold materials, stainless steel, iron, concrete, with warm materials, tan leather, walnut, or linen. A sleek, low-profile black leather sofa on a polished concrete floor is classic industrial, but adding a single oversized wool rug in a cream tone instantly softens the space. This interplay of hard and soft is what transforms a room from looking like a cold gallery into a comfortable home. 4. Lighting as functional sculpture. In a minimalist room, you don't have space for knickknacks or dust collectors. Instead, your light fixtures must serve as your art. Architectural lighting is a cornerstone of the sleek industrial look. Track lighting, reimagined for 2026, modern track lighting features slim, matte black rails with directional spots that can highlight specific zones, like a reading nook or a piece of wall art. Linear pendants, a long, horizontal LED bar over a coffee table or dining area adds a futuristic, industrial edge. The Edison evolution. While the vintage Edison bulb was the hallmark of old-school industrial, the 2026 version uses oversized, geometric LED filaments that look like glowing sculptures even when turned off. 5. Intentional clutter management. The hidden scullery. Industrial design often features open shelving and exposed elements, but minimalism demands that clutter stay out of sight. The solution for the modern apartment is integrated cabinetry. To achieve a sleek look, install floor-to-ceiling cabinets that mimic the color of your walls. These hidden storage units should have no visible handles. Use push-to-open mechanisms. This allows you to store your books, tech, and daily items behind a seamless industrial wall, leaving the living area perfectly composed. The exposed element should be reserved for only 1 or 2 high-quality items, perhaps a single vintage turntable or a curated stack of design books. 6. The green industrialist. Biophilic contrast. One of the most striking visual combinations in 2026 is the contrast between raw steel and vibrant greenery. In an industrial minimalist living room, plants shouldn't be scattered randomly. Instead, they should be treated as living architecture. A tall fiddle-leaf fig or a sculptural snake plant in a heavy concrete planter acts as a natural counterpoint to a steel-framed window or a brick wall. The organic, irregular shapes of the leaves break up the straight lines and hard surfaces of the industrial decor, injecting life and air into the urban environment. 7. Large-scale art and focal points. Minimalism isn't about having empty walls, it's about having intentional walls. In a sleek industrial space, several small frames look cluttered. Instead, opt for one massive focal point. A large-scale abstract canvas in monochromatic tones, or a single oversized architectural photograph, can anchor the entire living room. Alternatively, let the view be the art. If your apartment has a window, keep the treatments minimal, simple blackout rollers or sheer gray linens to frame the industrial skyline outside. 8. Zoning with area rugs. In open-plan apartment living, it can be difficult to define where the living room ends and the kitchen begins. In industrial minimalism, we use texture to create boundaries. Instead of walls, use large area rugs and low-pile materials like jute, sisal, or distressed wool. A rug in a dark charcoal shade can ground the seating area, creating a room within a room, without the need for physical partitions. This maintains the lofty, open-air feel of industrial design while providing the structure of a traditional home. Conclusion: a sanctuary of steel and silk. Sleek industrial minimalist design for 2026 is about finding the perfect equilibrium. It's about celebrating the strength of raw materials while ensuring the space remains light, airy, and uncluttered. By focusing on high-quality furniture with thin profiles, a restricted color palette, and the clever integration of natural textures, you can transform a standard apartment into a sophisticated urban retreat. Industrial minimalism doesn't just look cool, it feels organized, efficient, and deeply calm. It is the perfect design philosophy for the modern city dweller who wants a home that is as hardworking as it is beautiful.